Hello everyone. Today I am going to give demo on implement simple ESS and with transmitting node in wireless LAN by simulation and determine the performance with respect to transmission of packets by using NS2. By using NS2, you should open with terminal. There we need to type Java space -jar nsg 2.1.jar. So which will open one NSG editor. There we are going to draw the topology of 3 nodes point-to-point network. So there TCL script which is generated. So we should save as the file name dot topology. Then we need to modify the TCL script as per our experiment. So where we need to vary the bandwidth or setting the queue size. So whatever it is required. Then run the TCL script by using ns again file name dot tpl. Simulation result will be stored in output dot tr. Output file will have the all the trace file of simulation. Next we need to write an AWK code awk code in the terminal, that is by writing gedit file name dot awk. So there we need to write the awk code to filter the output file. So wherever the graph is need to be drawn as per the requirement, and also performance need to be calculated.
Today we are going to implement simple ESS with transmitting node in wireless LAN by simulation and determine the performance with respect to transmission of packet. So now I am going to take this Java -jar nsg 2.1.jar. So click on this. In the scenario we need to select wireless, go to node. So I am going to take the number of nodes here N0, N1, similarly N2. So here N3, N4 and N5. So this should be connected to the N4. Okay. So now I am going to take N6 and N7. Okay. So in the agent, just I am going to take TCP sender for N0 and the sync for N3. So just I am going to just connect N0 to N3 and I am going to add FTP for sender TCP N0. So in the parameter, just I am going to the option wireless. So here DSDV is there by default routing protocol. I am going to change AODV and click the OK or done. Then I am going to click the TCL. So which I am going to save. This is the experiment 4. So experiment experiment 4 dot TCL. Okay. So next, so here we are not going to change anything. By default it will be generated. I am just going to close this. Now NS experiment 4 dot TCL. So this will be coming. We keep aside this and I am going to click. So just play forward. So this is the wireless communication. So node N0 to N3. So here we need to find out the performance throughput, that is the N0 to N3 number of packets sent by N0 to N3. So just I am going to stop this. Now close this. We need to write an AWK code. So gedit. So exp 4.awk. Okay. So now I'll just copy this. We have already done in the this NSG4. So awk code. Okay. So this is we have already done. Initially we are taking count equal to 0, packet equal to timeline equal to 0. So here $1 is R. So we are finding the AGT type of the packets, and column 3 because N0 to N3 we are going to find out. So count into pack into 8 divided by time 1 into so this is the timeline of 1 of 6 zeros. So because throughput will be measured in that one. Okay, so we have to I'm going to just Control A, Control C. I'm going to copy in this, and this I'm just going to close and save this. Okay, so now just I'm going to run this. We know that awk space minus f and exp44 dot awk, so out dot tr, so output trace file. So this is the result from N0 to N3 is 0.91 because that many time zeros we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like here 0.9 means that we have taken 7-digit timelines Mbps because that speed we have counted. So this is the just a result of 4th experiment.